Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a Google Calendar event right from a Google Doc. This is a quick and easy way to turn notes or plans into scheduled events without switching tabs. Let's get started. On the Google Docs dashboard, all we need to do is click this. If we go to the top of Google Docs and use the backspace, we will see the More option. From here, we can access meeting notes, email drafts, and templates. When we select More and click on Meeting Notes, we will see the Meeting section. Here, we can add meetings. We can add details for this year or for any specific date, and there are more options available. We can add notes and action items. We can also configure settings and attach files from Google Drive. On top of that, we can insert other items, like emails or images, into the document. We can add meetings directly in Google Docs and set everything up the way we want. Once we are done, we just need to click Save so that our meeting event is saved in Google Docs. And that's how we create a Google Calendar event right in Google Docs. With this simple trick, we can save time and stay organized by turning our ideas into events instantly.